Hi, welcome to the course on how to launch Ethereum tokens and crowdsales without coding. In this lesson, we are going to cover the course structure. Throughout the course, we'll be using this concept called learn by play. In fact, you'll be writing no code throughout the entire course when launching your token and crowdsale. In the course, we'll start off with the first section where you achieve a quick win by launching your first token and crowdsale smart contract on Ethereum network without coding. In that section, I will teach you how to get free ethers on the testnet and deploy your first token and crowdsale smart contract. From there, in section 2, we will look in depth at our tools, focusing on the three main tools that we are going to use throughout the course. We are going to focus on MyEther wallet, Etherscan, as well as MetaMask. After which, we'll then look at token contracts in detail. We'll talk about what is the token contracts standard ERC20, as well as some of the common variations of token contracts. In section 4, we will do the same for CrossSell Contract, where we learn more about crowdsale smart contract and the common variations of crowdsale contract. In there, we will also talk about some basic conversion of ethers to your token exchange rate. Finally, in the last section, we will talk about some of the things you need to do before launching your own token. I hope you are very excited about launching your first token and crowdsale smart contract. I'll see you in the next lesson where you get some ethers to launch your first token and crowdsale smart contract. I'll see you there.